Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer your Tether, USDT, from your Ledger Nano X to Gemini in 2025, you've come to the right place. This is a straightforward process, but security is key, especially with crypto. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident handling this transfer yourself. Let's dive in. First off, why would you want to do this? Tether is a stablecoin that's great for holding value, and moving it from a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano X to an exchange like Gemini can help you trade, withdraw to fiat, or manage your portfolio more flexibly. Before we start, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the Ethereum app installed, since USDT runs on the Ethereum blockchain. You'll also need a verified Gemini account and some ETH for gas fees, as transfers aren't free. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ethereum app on the device. This ensures your wallet is ready to interact securely. Next, log into your Gemini account on your web browser or app. Head over to the Deposit or Withdraw section, depending on how you view it, and select USDT as the asset. Now, for the transfer. In Gemini, you'll need to generate a deposit address for USDT. Copy that address carefully. It's your destination. Back on your computer, use a secure wallet interface like Ledger Live to initiate the send. Select USDT from your Ledger wallet, enter the Gemini address, and specify the amount you want to transfer. Double-check everything. Wrong addresses can mean lost funds forever. Once you're set, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and approving with your PIN. The transaction will hit the blockchain, and after a few minutes, or confirmations, your USDT should appear in your Gemini account. Remember, in 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so always verify fees and network congestion. A few quick tips. Never share your seed phrase, use a secure connection, and consider the current market volatility before moving assets. If you run into issues, Gemini and Ledger both have excellent support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.